case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case that has shaped the discourse on the validity of wills and codicils in Texas, a court ruled in 1982 that the attestation of a will or codicil must be conducted within the physical presence of the testator. Dubbed Morris v. Estate of West, the case scrutinized the intricacies of what constitutes a testator's presence in the context of Texas law. The entire controversy originated from a probate court proceeding. The court was asked to probate a will and a codicil. However, these were contested on the grounds that the two attesting witnesses were not present when they added their signatures to the documents. The individuals challenging the probate were an unlikely duo, the testator's grandson and the ex-husband of the testator's daughter. In the initial ruling, the probate court concurred with the objections and denied the probate. The documents were deemed invalid. The court found that the witnesses had not been in the testator's presence during their signing, and the testator would have required the physical effort of leaving his chair and traversing down a hallway to see them. Consequently, the distribution of the estate painted an unhappy picture for the grandson and ex-husband, inciting their contestation. It is important to note, however, that the other beneficiaries and heirs at law remained passive and refrained from taking a position. This controversial case then entered an appeal stage, a stage marked by its reiteration of the previous judgment. It was not the first time the contested will and codicil were subjected to an appeal, but this instance was distinctive as it put to rest the disputed fact through a jury verdict. It confirmed that indeed the witnesses were not within the testator's presence during their signing. In the conclusive verdict, the court upheld the probate denial. Reinforcing that the witnesses were not present during their attestation, the court rejected arguments asserting the conscious presence of the testator. Evidently, the grandson and ex-husband had sufficient stake in the estate and were validly able to contest the will and codicil. Thus, the intriguing case of Morris v. Estate of West concluded with the affirmation of the importance of a testator's physical presence during the signing of testamentary documents and the right of contestation for those with adequate interest in an estate.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.